Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. Today I'm going to share with you one of my family favorite curries. It is a brinjal and paneer curry that's cooked in a South Indian inspired tamarind gravy. We start with putting a little bit of oil into our pot, and to this oil we're going to add in some of our seeds. I'm using mustard seeds, some cumin, and a little bit of methi, and we're going to just let that pop and crackle. Right, that's the pop and crackle we want to hear. And to this now we're going to add some fresh minced ginger, some fresh green chili, and a few curry leaves. And then we're going to begin adding in some of our powdered spices, and we're going to use a little bit of mixed masala, a little bit of Kashmiri chili, some turmeric, and just a hint of some garam masala, and we're going to give that all a mix. So here I have our brinjals that we have just halved, and we're going to add to our pan. And the larger brinjals I'm going to make into quarters. And I can see that the masalas are cooking quite nicely, so I'm now going to add these brinjals into our dish. Just stir it around so that the masala gets absorbed quite nicely into the brinjal. And we're going to add in a little cooking water so that the brinjals start cooking in this masala gravy. So we'll cover our pan for a little bit while we wait for those brinjals to cook and soften down. And we're now going to add some of our tomato, maybe about half a cup of tomato. And at this stage I'm going to add in paneer that I've already lightly fried. So I'm going to put it into the pan so that it absorbs all that flavor and taste of all the spices that we've added in already. And it cooks with the brinjal. I'm going to also add a little bit of the seasoning. So to season, we're going to put in salt for taste. And I'm also going to add in just a little bit more Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it a quick mix. And we let that cook in for a few minutes. In here I have diluted about 3 tablespoons of tamarind, seedless tamarind, with about half a cup of water, and I've blended it nicely together to make a paste. And this is what we're going to be adding now to our paneer and brinjal curry to give it that really authentic tamarind sour taste that we all know and love so much. So we just need to give it another minute, but I'm also going to add one more ingredient. Typically in South India they use gur, but I'm going to use a little bit of brown sugar just to help with the tartness of the tamarind. Add in some fresh coriander that's been slightly chopped up, And if you want a little bit more gravy, because that's the best part of this dish, just add a little bit more water and give it all a good mix. So our curry is ready. Let's start plating it. And there you have one of our favorites, a brinjal and paneer curry cooked in a South Indian inspired tamarind gravy.